onda, raza? We back again with another video. We about to unload the toys. We had a good weekend in them. We're not too extreme. We're about to unload the toys because we're taking my C10 to get a custom interior and the custom audio system done with Car Audio Garage. His name is Arnold. He gets down with all his builds. They're all custom. So we're about to head that way. Catch you right now. Nah, it's Tatiana. Oh, shit. What the fuck?
There's something else.
It died out.
Ya no boté para nada. I wonder if Arnold can do my seats on me. Yeah.
Pinche madre.
Alright guys, I want you to get a good look at the C10 interior, how it looks right now, because when it comes out the interior shop, you're not going to recognize this truck. Let me put the flash real quick.
Tiene nada, bro.
No tiene nada, look, crusty door panels. The seats, I mean, it's alright, just old, I mean, it's the original. The dash, the steering wheel, look, it has nothing up here, just metal. No radio, no nothing. The truck's been sitting here under the garage ever since we got out the paint shop, because Arnold was booked, but he finally called us, and I told him that I really wanted the truck to take it to the show we're having in March, the Project Torque Truck Shootout, and so I told him that I really wanted to take it, that I needed the truck done. So he told me, man, come on, bring it on. So we're about to go drop it off. For y'all that may not know, I did sell my GMC, the silver one. Yeah, it broke my heart too, but I sold it to a good friend, you know. I sold it to Freddie, so fuck it. But yeah, so I'm one truck down right now.
Dang.
And it's kind of killing me inside, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll get something else. For now, I'm gonna be daily in the vet. A lot of y'all don't know that I have a vet, but I have a vet. It's a C06. It's been in the storage for a couple years already. And well, Freddie left me truckless, so I'm gonna daily the vet now. Yeah, it's a C06 or 22,000 original miles. It's been in the storage for the last, I don't know how many years. Let me see. I'm gonna turn it off here.
Está bien bajito, bro.
Yeah, it's dropped 2 inches all around. But you know, I gained some weight, bro. I don't feel the same no more.
Oh, yeah. That was me.
Original 2007 C06 427 7.0 motor, 22,000 miles. The only mods it has, it's a Corsa exhaust and quarter intake, and it's tuned. And well, it got the 360 forged wheels, or custom wheels, and it's dropped 2 inches all around. But yeah, we'll be doing more vlogs. A lot of y'all don't know that I have cars, so we're gonna be doing more vlogs with my CTSV and with the vet. I'll think of something. I'm pretty sure if y'all want to see some CTSV and Corvette content, we'll start throwing it in there. I really don't drive it or nothing. I don't drive the CTSV either. So we're gonna start using them since my daily is gone.
Yeah.
But I'll probably end up getting something else. We'll see, we'll see. Time will tell, time will tell.
Sounds mean, bro.
No, I'm being dead ass about the gas part. ¿Qué le echamos?
Está bien.
But you know why? Como estaba recién pintada, se lo pusieron.
¿Qué dice, maestro?
Dice chavo que le calienta, güey. Que le calentó.
You gotta put an adhesive promoter para que se agarre.
Yeah. Well, he's down the street from here. So
Yeah.
if anything, you can put him on, no?
Yeah.
Ahí los traje como quiera.
Okay.
Como te dije ayer también, I already got the windows and they're coming in.
Okay.
Para que se las pongas también. Yeah. I got them refurnished. I think I found the problem. I shouldn't be revving it like that.
I hear air.
I think reduced engine power turns on.
Soy como que está escapando aire.
Yeah, está generando.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Pop it.
Why you breaking things, bro? Why you breaking things?
Nah, I mean, this truck's been sitting for a while. Wow.
Like a reset.
Usually when it does that means the ground is moved or something. Yep, reduced engine power.
It's got potential.
You got potential. I like that. I like to hear that. You should have seen it before I painted how it looked. It was not blue.
You know what the bottom piece también? Right here? This piece?
Oh yeah. The mag right that way.
I'll make a new one from scratch. I'll make a new one for the...
Yeah, I know I took a lot of the shit out from the other side. Like I went through. Yeah, I mean you're gonna make everything new.
Yeah.
So what all are you gonna do to it?
Custom seat.
Okay.
Go with leather. Alcantara suede. Custom headliner. All your trim panels, you're gonna color match to the interior. Door panels, kick panels, bottom, carpet, custom box, custom system. It's gonna complete interior match. You can get everything.
It's gonna be peanut butter, right?
Peanut butter with custom grills and all that.
What we're gonna go with the audio, guest speakers.
We got JL for amps and subs. We're gonna go with either Focal, Infinity Kappas, whichever one, for the mids and highs. Because you want sound quality, you said you want something.
Yeah, I want sound. I don't want that loud shit. I want sound quality.
Yeah, we're gonna go with some sound quality stuff. So go with either Focal. You know, we got those brands out there. And your box too is gonna match everything inside.
The box gonna match the interior.
Yeah, we're gonna do vinyl. We're gonna do like I said, Alcantara suede. We're gonna do some inserts throughout the whole truck, so it can be uniform. Make sure everything's matching. Anything else you want to do to it besides all that? You wanna?
I mean, for sure te voy a traer los virus para que tú se pongas los virus. I'm gonna do that. I got them refurnished, so ya vienen todos completos más para que tú los pongas. I mean, no, pues todo el interior, que sea los door panels, lo que dijiste abajo, Los asientos. Oh, carpet. I want carpet.
Yeah, we're doing the carpet too.
Yeah, I want the carpet.
Dynamite, we're gonna dynamite the whole cab.
Okay, you're gonna dynamite the cab.
We're gonna do all that.
Yeah, and then the roof, I said leather or suede.
It's gonna be suede with, you know, vinyl as well.
On the stitching, what color are you gonna do the stitching?
Man, we talked about several colors yesterday. Maybe we could go with something that matches the peanut butter clothes, or you could go with white. It's up to you. Just try to stay away from the like a blue or red.
No, I think white would look good. I mean, the truck has white in it, so I think
the
a white stitching would look good on it.
We're gonna do, you know, everything's gonna be custom. It's not gonna be just something we order offline.
Yeah.
It's not no kit that we're gonna order and just throw it in there.
That's why we brought it to you, because we know you do custom shit. So I want it to be unique. I don't want to go to a show and see another C10 and for them to have the same interior. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Like I told you too, we're gonna try to get the medallions for the seat. You know.
Oh, I need to get you the PDF out so you can put the triple P logo.
Yeah. So we could do the triple P. You know, just something unique. You know, we don't want to be like everybody else out there. You know?
Oye, el double density cabe en el dash, or you have to put it in a little concrete.
¿Qué va ahí en ese boquete?
¿Dónde? ¿Arriba?
Ya. Con los 6 events, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to do.
But aren't you gonna pump it out?
Yeah, that's what I need to do. Pero honestly, for 12s, I don't think you need to tub these. Or maybe.
It's already kind of wide.
Yeah, pero on one truck we did add like an inch and a half.
Yeah.
We just made them a little bit
LMC
wider.
sells them wider.
Oh yeah, they sell them already.
Yeah, they sell them wider.
If not, I can send these to get made. Like my homeboy down the street from the shop, he does them. But then yeah, when we put it, I'll do the bed liner when we put it. What's the name of your shop?
Right here, Cardio Garage. I mean, it's the only name I've been using for years on Instagram. I mean, started off at my mom's house in the carport afuera, outside, and then I started doing the garage at the house. You know, we already have a couple months here. It's nothing big. It's just the space. You know, I got tired of being at the house, so there's more freedom here. You know, full time. You know, we're here every day, and right now it's
What's your phone number?
832-794-8061. Instagram is Cardio Garage. A lot of people know me just by that. That's why I never changed it. I didn't want to change it. Just, you know, it's what I've been known for. So just keep it the same.
Well, what are you drinking?
Right now I'm drinking a Red Bull, watermelon Red Bull.
Okay. I heard
No
those are good.
Ciroc, no Ciroc this time. Just Red Bull.
What you got going on right
Yeah,
here?
we got a couple projects here. We got this as well.
What you doing to listen?
This one here is taking a full system. It's taking 2 15s, 22 mids, 8 tweeters.
22 minutes?
22 mids.
Oh shit.
8
You hear him
tweeters.
coming.
Dynamite. We upgraded the alternator. It's you can see the box, working on the box. It's all gutted out.
The roof ceiling,
Todo el pedo, mira.
Oh, is that a big tunnel? Okay.
Blow through.
Now blow through.
Plexiglass, custom. This is all custom.
Yeah, the alternator. Did the upgraded alternator.
Oh, damn.
Some thin ass wire.
It's gonna be a bad truck. So you know how we were talking yesterday? Are we gonna make the deadline for the show?
Yeah, we're gonna make it. It's gonna be long nights, a lot of Red Bulls, but we'll get done.
Okay.
Get done.
Go to Sam's for a case of Red Bulls.
Mañana te voy a traer, no te 24 mañana.
They don't sell the case of watermelon there.
Okay, water
Gotta go to the blood. It looks like I got inventory here. It's not inventory, man.
That's just off of one
All
truck.
that shit right there is going to this blue truck right here. All that,
That rack.
All
all
that?
that rack is for this truck. Subwoofers, dynamite, all the speakers, everything's for this truck. So, I mean, how big is inventory for the
That's
truck?
just one build.
That's for this truck, just one truck. I got another rack in the back. That other rack is for another truck, for this truck.
Miscellaneous.
Miscellaneous stuff. I dedicate everything for this truck on this rack. Just to keep everything in one area. I don't want to get everything lost, scattered.
Yeah.
So the question is, does Triple P get his own rack?
Or am I gonna have to bring a rack?
Yeah, it's on the way. I already ordered it.
Oh, okay.
Dang, all right. Treating you right.
Yeah, it's already ordered. You talked about your wheels,
Yeah.
rear end, narrowed and all that.
Shit, we got time and I mean,
I already talked to the guy.
okay.
He said as soon as you get your wheels, bring them. We'll match them up.
So the thing is, I did want to cut that differential, but the truck is gonna have a little bit of performance in it, and those rear ends really don't hold up once you build them. The axles are too thin on them. They're like 28 tonight.
Yeah.
So I was thinking of getting the wheels and doing the measurement, and I was gonna call Quick Performance and I buy the 4 9-inches,
Okay.
and they send them cut to the spec already, and I can just build it at the shop. Y ya te lo puedo traer yo primero or whatever.
Okay.
Oh, well, I mean, we do have to measure though. But I mean, we're on a schedule, we're on a time schedule, so I don't know if Quick Performance will get it out that fast too. So probably we are gonna have to cut that one most likely.
That'll work.
But yeah, hopefully the wheels get here soon and para que se haga todo el pedo, los toes, todo el pedo también. So yeah, guys, he does custom interiors and custom audio systems, like custom. But that's not all he does. He does wiring, he does digital gauges. I mean, this man is very talented. So
Do everything. I mean,
yeah, look at his Instagram. Don't hesitate to hit him up. He's very talented. He'll get it done.
you do conversions, front end conversions, dash conversions, swap out the dash, seats, make everything work. Some people think it's plug and play, but it's a lot of time you put into it, brainstorming, troubleshooting and making it work.
So I should see the custom center consoles he does for these trucks. Look legit.
This is one that you just built, bro?
Nah,
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
I was working on it. It's 215s ported. It's gonna have Plexi in the back. It's all painted inside because it's gonna see. You're gonna be able to see it.
His back work.
Oh, okay.
It's a long way, right? Still got a lot more to go.
I picked up yesterday the custom logos that I got cut out. The SS. It's hard for somebody to see it, but once it's built,
the detail.
it's gonna have speakers inside here. The other side is gonna be all painted off with lighting. It's gonna say SS in the middle that lights up in white. All this is gonna be blue with some blue lighting.
And this truck's on crunch time for the show too, right?
Yeah,
This is going for that show that.
Yeah, he's going to our show too. He's one of the sponsors.
All right.
Big shout out to Tropics Pool Plastering. He is one of the sponsors for the Project Truck Shootout, and this truck will be going to the show as well.
So by the end of the videos, you have a lot more white hair than you do right now.
yeah. Yeah. All the stress, late nights.
Alright guys, well there you have it. Mr. Arnold's gonna get down on the C10, custom interior, custom audio system, custom bag, custom everything. He's gonna be doing my Dakota gauges as well. And if my wheels get here in time, which they should, he's actually gonna be doing the cutting and the tub work on it as well. Like I say, he's multi-talented, he gets out on everything, and it's all custom work, so y'all gonna see the outcome on this truck.
Eso es como lo que se emociona.
Yeah, I'm not into the show shit. I like racing. But I'm gonna put a blower on if I can. What?
Nice. Good truck. What do you got in it? 5.3?
Nah, 6.2. Nah, it's a 6.2.
No, y luego le pone blower and then he'll sell it cheap.
La regalo.
Sí.
This truck gonna go thin, huh?
Well, it's because if you're gonna have a badass interior.
Yeah, I'm not gonna thin it. No.
They look clean.
Yeah.
Without it.
Yeah.
Nah, without tint, because we're not
It's Houston weather,
so they
bro.
can peep inside my windows. Oh yeah, sure.
You need to order one to match your wheels?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
What about the cluster?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be digital Dakota.
Amen. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, It's a different truck.
Because when we had it, it was like that caca brown.
Oh, yeah,
And now
la cacerola.
it stands out. And right now it's filthy. It's dirty. It's all dusty.
It's hard to like. Look, I got this one. I got my turbo trucks that I'm always fucking up. I had the silver truck.
Yeah.
And
Car.
the car and that's what you feel like. So I'm gonna start taking it slow.
Yeah, but every little step you do to a vehicle, like the paint looks good. When he puts those wheels on, it's gonna look better.
Oh yeah, it's gonna stand out.
You do the interior, it looks, you know, it just changes.
Changes, yeah.
Every day you do, any little thing you do to it's gonna change. But it's coming out good.
La lleva. It's a good start.
Yep.
My first show truck build. Ahí va.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put on C10.
Hasta yo dije que
I'll go for it tomorrow.
Mañana regresa.
see where we stand.
Nah, take your time. Whoa. No, don't take me serious. Don't take your time.
Nah.
We need to push over.
I know when we need it, but
Crunch time, but do it right.
We're gonna work on it.
You're taking this one y la guinda, güey?
This one, La Guinda. For the show, I think I'm gonna just take those two. I'm gonna need an 18 to take all the cars. So
Damn.
just
Right.
take two. Chamos. Before we stay here another hour.
Getting chilly.
Getting chilly.
All right, brother.
Ahí están las keys puestas.
All right, man.
Ahí está el otro little trim. Ahí están los trims adentro.
I'll work. Go over it. Get rid of everything we don't use.
Alright guys, well there you have it. We dropped off the C10 with Arnold from Car Audio Garage. He's gonna be getting down on the interior and the sound system and some finishing touches on the truck. He does really good work. It's all custom. It's gonna be unique. I wanted to go to him because you go to him and you pay what you get for. Like it's not something they sell online, or you're gonna go to a show or you're gonna see a truck with the same thing you have. No, like it's literally gonna be custom. Can't wait to see the outcome. We do have a deadline for the truck, and he knows. We're trying to get it ready for the show in March for the Project Torque Truck Shootout. And well, can't wait to see how it looks. There I have the vet. Y'all can see it. There's the white turbo truck. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot more vlogs y'all gonna see a lot more vlogs about these cars here. I gotta do some little upgrades to the turbo truck, take it to get tuned. That's why I haven't really been driving it. I ordered some new caustics for it as well. The C06, I mean the car is basically new. It rides smooth like a Cadillac or whatever. And yeah, so it's gonna be a new daily until I get a new daily, since I don't have my GMC no more.
La vendiste.
La vendí, pero pues ni pedo. My boy Freddy got it now.
Damn.
And yep. So stay tuned for more vlogs on the vet and CTSV as well. And I'll catch you on the next one. Alright guys, this is behind the scenes. This is extra footage. Comment down below if you want to see me get Freddy's vet with my vet.
Damn.
Freddy, vas a mamar.
Ahora, Freddy.